Hey guys, if you're looking for a very simple DIY hair growth oil for your child, then you have to watch this video to the very end, because this is what I use on my daughter's hair that has helped her hair to be very soft, moisturized, and also help with hair growth. This is a very simple one here. We'll be using rosemary. Rosemary is a very vital ingredient for the hair. You can read up what the benefit of rosemary is. We have cloves. This is what cloves look like. This is a pack. You can get this in any shop, African shop, Pakistan shop, any shop. Then this is my carrier oil, avocado oil. You can also read up what avocado oil does to the hair. It helps soften the hair, moisturizes the hair, makes the hair shine. And this is also my essential oil, peppermint oil. You can also check on Google, and you can decide to add castor oil. This is optional. It's also a carrier oil. So please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, hit the like button, and join the family. Thank you for watching.